back to my YouTube channel. So ngayon pagkagawa po tayo nito, ang gagawin po natin ay Mother's Day card.
Okay.
Idea ko lang po ito kasi po malapit na po ang Mother's Day. Ang Mother's Day po ay sa May 10. So, the materials we need is ruler.
R.
It's just a hard paper. I don't know what's English of it, but art paper. Okay. Watercolor. That's my old watercolor. Actually, watercolor messy. I don't know, messy watercolor. Felt paper. Some eggshells that is like bits like this, that, there. You should see it. Ribbons. We have thick ones like this thick. If you want something more like creative. This like light color pink and more like purplish pink or fuchsia. So I'm just gonna put it there. Glue. We have two kinds of glue, but it's the same. We need scissors. Oh, I know my favorite.
Ginagawa mo.
Take a litter. That's my favorite. And alcohol. We need this because it's about the COVID-19. So we need to wash our hands first or sanitize.
Okay.
Yep. That's not the ingredient, but we need that too. So the first we need to do is we have this thing. What's this? It's just a hard like illustration board, but this is the illustration board. It's like more like a hard paper. So like construction paper. I know. It's like more like cream color. So we need to line it. Okay, I'm just gonna put one color there. Where's the pencil? I forgot the pencil. Where's the pencil? Of course we need pencil too. So here's the pencil. So like more like 8.5. I mean 9.5. Sorry. I'm bad at math. Because I'm not as an actor. So I'm just gonna line it up.
Okay.
Oopsies, I like something. Okay. So this is the finished product. Here it is. So now what do we do? So we need to cut some felt paper like into any shapes. So I'm just gonna cut a one heart or a like star. I'm not going with big heart, so I'm just going with like a little star. We can cut it like this. So let's draw it first. So first we need to draw. I'm just gonna set this aside. We just need to like draw the things you need. So yeah, I'm just gonna draw a little itsy bitsy star. So yes guys, you know me. I'm not good at drawing, so I'm just going to do it. Because star is really hard to do. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, I'm just going to do like this rectangle because it's rectangle. Oh my gosh. My pencil is too like strong onto this felt paper. I'm doing one more. Cross fingers. It's right. And of course we need water. We need that for watercolor. We have water here. We need that so like need a watercolor. So we got the itsy bitsy cutie. So now let's put this thing. So here it is. So I made little ones too, like these. Oh my gosh, it's real cute, like that. So we can make these large, like this. This shape is medium, so yeah. First, we need this. What's this? Oh yeah, the construction paper again. We need this so we can design it right now. I think it's time for the glue. Well, maybe. We're still not done into the art paper. So, yeah, let's go. So guys, ayan na po. Naporma ko na po siya. Ngayon po, i-glue na lang po natin. So I'm just gonna stick the big heart onto the card. So first I'm using the brush because it's really hard to do it as in my fingers. So I'm using my brush. Now I wish it's right, so let's put it there. And I actually like start in here because you know me. So I think I'm done in sticking all the hearts. Let's now put
Ginagawa mo.
the eggshells, but first we need to put the glue. So
Okay.
careful because we don't want to like put too much glue. So I'm just gonna do this. Then I'm just gonna spread it. Then that's it. It's more like bubbly because we put water into the glue to make it like much soften it up because we don't want like too much. So I'm just gonna be careful on this line because we don't want eggshells there. So I'm just gonna stick it like that, and yeah. So I'm now putting the eggshells. Okay. I don't want it to be messy. The challenge is to be messy because eggshells are really messy. So I know it, but I really want eggshells into the card. So it's my own like personalized card for my mom. So I'm just like
2,000 years later.
So now I'm done with the eggshells. Let's now go to the glitters, my favorite part. So I choose the silver ones because I don't want too big glitters to be like, gold. So I'm just gonna put this glitter powder and just gentle because I don't want too much glitter into my glue. So take glitter glue, but I don't have any glitter glue, so just doing glitter and like glue.
6.5 hours later.
It's not good at all. Well, that's fine. So now I'm just gonna let this dry.
Okay.
So now I'm doing the Happy Mother's Day, but before that we're doing the leaf. So I have my new hairstyle. I really want the unicorn more. So yeah.
Okay.
First we're gonna do the leaves. It's really cute. Okay. First is the leaf. I'm just gonna make it like cute. So I'm just gonna make it good. More like L. So just gonna put that really carefully. I don't want too much, okay? Trust me, it's really hard. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Ginagawa mo.
I just put something. Oh my gosh, I'm really nervous. So now I have a trick. We need to put this or just put it like that. If you have some stick, it's really easy. First, you need to put it like this, okay? It's not perfect, that's really fine. So like that. And you're just gonna like shape it into the shape you want with the stick or your barbecue stick or skewer or anything. So now let's just continue it with the other.
A few inches later.
Oh, there we go. So here it is. I don't want to mess up the bead, so I know you can see it. It's right in here. It's a bit here. Yeah, more like leaf. Now, let's go to the Happy Mother's Day. So we have pencil. We need pencil so we can like erase it because if we have some mistakes. So I'm saying here Happy Mother's Day. So yeah. So guys, I now finished it. The Happy Mother's Day. Here you go. Just look it. There we go. Oh, okay. Thanks. Now I think it's the time to go inside. Now I'm just gonna take a art paper so it's not taking off. Okay, I'm just, oh my gosh. Okay, this is really okay. Oh my, don't go. Okay. Oh my gosh. Phew. Okay. I wish I didn't take the glitter off. Okay. Finally, it's good. Now I'm just gonna like draw and yeah. I'm using watercolor. So I'm using watercolor. Where's my brush? So I'm gonna use watercolor like, oh my gosh, card and watercolor. That is gonna be cool. Super cool, like oh my gosh. My eyes too big. So I'm just gonna dip this into the water. Do you know guys, in 20 Faith and Yon vlog, we do the messy watercolor paint. I don't think so. So we have so many tries in there. Like we are super duper laughing there. Like oh my gosh, because that is the first time doing like YouTube video or some sort. So yeah, I'm just gonna like take some colors. I am taking this color because I don't want to see my colors that it is like more, you know, like too much light, too much dark. I'm getting scarlet. It's this. There we go. So there we go. Okay. So yeah, it's like more like paint, but you need water to paint it. So now, okay. Now let's just put some heart. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited. I'm not gonna mess this up. I don't want to mess this up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, and okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. Now I'm just gonna like color the inside. I'm just gonna. Oh my gosh! It's coloring the water. Okay. I'm just gonna take this off. So, oh my gosh. It's okay, there we go. Now I'm just gonna put some crown. So crown, let's go. I don't know what's the yellow, but I'm using this as my yellow, so I'm using that. That's not a problem. Like, that's not a problem. Okay. Okay, please don't mess up.
A few moments later.
So now I got the thin brush. So I'm just gonna wet the little one. So the tip only. Oh my god, it's turning into like a brand color. So I'm using like a festival color to like banderitas. I don't know sa English of it. Sabit. So the first one I'm gonna do is blue. I don't want to write this all. Okay. Okay, come on.
2,000 years later.
So guys, so this is the final look. To the front, to the back, and to the inside. So there we go. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you next time. Goodbye.